Dear students, today we are here to discuss about some topics of the natural products, and the main part of this natural product is alkaloids, steroids, antibiotics, terpenes, carotenoids, alpha-pinene, ascorbic acid, camphor, ozonolysis, direct and indirect oxidation, etc. So we will discuss one by one all of the topics. First of all, we discuss about the alkaloids. The introduction and the definition of alkaloids. The alkaloids are the natural compounds isolated from the plants having basic character and containing at least one nitrogen atom in a heterocyclic ring. These are usually colorless, crystalline, non-volatile solids found in seeds, roots, leaves and the bark of the plant. And most of the alkaloids are bitter in taste, optically active and mostly contains tertiary nitrogen, but some also contains the oxygen. There are two alkaloids in our syllabus, one of the quinine and another is morphine. We will discuss one by one. Today I will take the quinine. Quinine, this is the quinine. The basic introduction of the quinine is molecular formula is C20H24N2O2. Molecular weight is 324 gram. Its melting point is 178 to 180 degrees Celsius. Is fall under the quinoline group. It is used as an antimalarial. It is a ditertiary base because it adds twice of the molecule of methyl iodide to form a quaternary salt. Dear students, today we discuss about the structure elucidation of the quinine also. So let us discuss the basic structure of quinine. Quinine has such type of the basic structure in which it shows one quinoline group, one methoxy group, one secondary alcoholic group and one vinyl group out of the ring. So now we will discuss one by one. Let us come to the point on structure elucidation of the quinine. Quinine has one pyridine nucleus in itself. It forms monoacetate and monobenzoate, indicates the presence of the one-off hydroxy group in itself. And hydroxy group is secondary in nature because on oxidation with chromic acid, it gives a ketone. And ketone is obviously obtained by the oxidation of the secondary alcohol, not by the primary alcohol. So it established that the quinine has one hydroxy group which has one secondary alcoholic group. Next, it absorbs the twice of the molecule of methyl iodide, which indicating the presence of two tertiary nitrogen atom in it. It also absorbs the one molecule of bromine, which indicating the presence of one ethylenic double bond in it. It also absorbs one of the hydrogen molecule. It also indicating the presence of one ethylenic double bond in the quinine. And quinine on oxidation with the potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid gives the quininic acid, which shows the basic character of quinine. And quininic acid on oxidation with chromic acid gives the quinolinic acid, which on further oxidation gives pyridine 2,3,4 tricarboxylic acid, which indicating the presence of methoxy group on the benzene ring, not on the pyridine ring. And the position of the methoxy group was determined on heating the quininic acid with HCl and decarbonating the dimethylated product with which gives the 6-hydroxy quinoline. So it determined that the methoxy group should be present on the position 6 and at the benzene ring, not on the pyridine ring. And quinine on oxidation with KMnO4, it gives a monocarboxylic acid along with the formation of formic acid, which indicating the presence of the vinyl group in it. So dear student, as I have said earlier, that this is the basic structure of quinine. So let us see, there is a quinine ring, this is pyridine ring, one is pyridine ring and another is benzene ring, and methoxy is on the benzene ring and at position 6 with respect to nitrogen. One of the alcoholic group which is secondary in nature, one of the vinyl group out of the ring. So today we established the structure of the quinine. Later on we discuss the structure of the morphine. Thank you very much.